All right, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you a completely free alternative to tools like Surfer SEO and also tools like Neuronwriter and so forth. Now, the benefit of these tools is to be able to put in your content, your URL, and to weigh your competitors against your primary key phrase so you can determine the best additional keywords to use and update your content. Now, this free detector is found at originality.ai. They're known for the AI detection tools, oftentimes talked about. So they have launched this free tool here, which is super valuable. This tool can go for upwards of $50 or more per month, depending on which software you're using. So what we can do is we can go down here on this page. Of course, I'll include the link below. I'm just going to include a sample here, and I'm going to put in the URL here. And the keyword is going to be what we're trying to rank for is ChatGPT for real estate. And what we can do is enter in some competitor URLs. So what we'll do is we'll just grab onto this. We will enter this into Google, and we can go down here and grab a couple of competitors. Let's just say we're going to grab the first couple. We'll grab that link, and we'll stick that in here. And then we'll put one more in there just for good measure. And just like this. Perfect. Now, what we're going to do is we can include the headings when checking the URLs. So let's go ahead and do that, and we will submit this. It only takes a couple of seconds here, so I'll just pause and come back when it is ready. Okay, here we are, and here's the results. Only took a couple of seconds here. Over here on the side, you're going to see that it went through those competitors that were included, and of course entered and went through all of the common keywords that were associated to the primary keyword and gave some percentages and weighed our URL against the competitors. So a lot of useful information in here, very similar to what Surfer SEO does. And when we scroll down here, we have a couple of options. We can download the CSV. We can export a GPT prompt. Now, this is interesting because what it will do is it'll open up ChatGPT, and it will include a prompt to be able to update the existing content with the new updated words. And of course, we can show keyword highlighting as well. So there's a demo video here that will walk you through how to utilize it and some additional content down here. Now, the cool part out of this, of course, is that you can go back up through here. You can go through the content, okay, if you entered it here, and you can update it and then rerun it to improve your score. Okay, and if you'd used a URL, that's going to be a little bit more challenging to do, but of course, you can, of course, update your info at your URL, come back here, and then recheck it again. So again, this is an amazing free tool. Take advantage of it and stop paying $60 a month for softwares just for this purpose. Of course, Surfer SEO is great for other things, but if this is all you need, then this will be super helpful. As usual, if you like this video, these quick how-tos and tools and resources, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think about these videos. I'd love to hear your feedback. And of course, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so that every time a new video comes out, you get notified right away so you could stay ahead of the curve in the world of AI. Thanks for watching.